Ford Canada lent me an F-250 pickup truck for the week. The truck is not just huge, it's a mobile office space. If I were so inclined, I could live in this car. Look at this. I mean, it's crazy. It's ridiculous. Look at this. I'm lying down. I'm sleeping. It's so big, I said we're gonna turn the cab into a swimming pool. Now, most people don't fully appreciate how heavy water really is. 1 cubic meter of water weighs a ton, 1,000 kilograms. The maximum payload on the back of the F-250 is something like 7,200 pounds, roughly 3,000 kilograms. We are looking at 63 and a half inches wide, 63 by 82 by, let's say, 19. Take a note, 63 inches by 82 inches by 20 inches. Let's do some math. All right, so doing some very basic math, it seems that there's about 56 cubic liters of water in the cab space, which translates to roughly 3,500 pounds if we filled it end to end to the top, which is half the maximum payload as indicated in the Ford literature. So I think we're good to go. Hey, come. Just in time, come to this. We're turning the back of the pickup truck into a swimming pool for the kids.
Of course we are. I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Perfect to grab that side. Oh, this is gonna be so good. The perfect size tarp. Okay, who's turning the hose on? Turn on the hose! It's on. Okay, that's good. You know what? It's gonna actually just box itself in perfectly. Perfect.
How long will it take to fill up?
Oh, I'd say at least 45 minutes. Oh yeah. I'm going to do a time lapse as this fills just so we can see the compression of the suspension. Right now it's about an octave and 2 notes. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Yeah, we have about 4 inches of water in the bed. I don't know. Oh yeah, you can see like maybe one note difference. We were at an octave and 2 notes, and now I think we're at an octave and 1 note. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. There is no noticeable difference in the suspension, so we are giving up on this worthless time lapse. What do you say?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. You gonna sit in it or lie down in it? It's cold, eh? This is an idea that is being executed with perfection. Look at that. It's like, it's actually starting to hug the corners. This is a beautiful pool. We may just have to get a truck to compensate for the fact that we don't have a swimming pool. Although we don't have a place to park it, so...
Well, we make it a swimming pool to ourselves.
As far as the suspension goes, we have about 2 inches of compression, but we've reached the maximum height that we can get inside the back of the flatbed because we're gonna start overflowing right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of water in here. What do you say?
I can't believe it's actually kind of working.
Hey, Dave!
It is kind of working, eh?
Okay, and now we are doing the obligatory droney. Take off.
What kind of drone's gonna take off?
Oh yeah. Stop it. All right, the F-250 backyard pool, baby. Here we go.
Oh my god. Well, that's high to catch. Whoa.
Wow.
Daddy, make it higher than...
It's really raining out here. Look how fast it's going.
Make it higher.
Hold on. No, wait. I'm gonna bring it all the way down. Okay, I need you to back away while I do this. It's coming down. Okay, and now we go land in my hands. Tremendous success all around, children. What do we say? Don't touch anything in my hands. Booyah. Wait, I got electronics up there. Don't splash. Because it is a danger to leave large bodies of water unattended, we are going to empty out the pool now. That was perfect! Perfect!
I saved myself!
Success.
Don't let your flip-flop.
You can stop now.